I nearly started with the coat rack again. I thought that was not a good idea, so I've decided to turn it round. Is this really dirty, this lens, or is it my eyes? I really don't know. Hi Emily, how are you doing? Hi Rachel, Cameron, how are you? How are you? Everybody else. Oh, there she is. She's in quick today. Let's view her request. I'm not necessarily saying I'll accept it. You know, I've got a pie in the oven. I can't muck about. I'm a very busy woman. I'm a domestic goddess, actually, but you knew that already, didn't you? You did. Donna's getting all that. Oh, there she is. Hello.
Oi.
You're looking rather ghostly.
Am I?
Yeah. Yeah. Whereas I'm looking kind of honeyed and sort of
You've
warm,
been on the
I think.
You've been on the sunbed, haven't you?
No, I haven't. It's just this light. It's kind of golden, I would say.
Golden halo.
How have you been?
All right. How are you? Saw your dinner.
Yeah.
Saw your
Well,
dinner.
I just put it in the oven. Did you see it?
I saw. Yeah. I've got.
It looked.
It's
What
not
do you
going to burn,
think?
is it?
Well, no, not if we're quick. You know. Somebody's just saying they had me on silent. To be fair, I don't blame you.
No, do it.
And somebody's just said hello from Beijing.
Whoa. Hey.
Oh, we love China, don't we?
Oh God, I really want to go back.
Oh, we had such good fun in China. We really did.
Oh my God, that first time.
Oh, fascinating place. What are you laughing at?
I'm just like, because I was meant to be going on my bloody own.
You were meant to be going on your bloody own.
I mean, imagine if I had. It was mental, wasn't it?
Well, I take my hat off to somebody from Vancouver Island. I'd love to go to Vancouver Island.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be stunning.
Yorkshire.
I'll never get out of bloody Glasgow for the rest of my life, I don't think. But no. Hi, Sally. How are you? If you had gone to China on your own, you would have been fine because you are incredibly organised. But oh my God.
What about that day that we was in that taxi and it was going miles away? We were like in the middle of the mountains. And I was thinking, that could have been me on my own.
Oh, and
the day at the train station when we couldn't work out how to buy a ticket.
Well, because we couldn't read anything, obviously.
I know.
You can't, because it's a different alphabet and a different language and everything. You can't even sort of kick it together. We didn't even see what time. You didn't read the time.
Had a massive queue behind us. Do you remember?
Yeah, I know. We were holding it up.
Everyone.
And it was so embarrassing.
But it was so much fun, wasn't it? It was like a proper adventure.
It was.
Sally says that she remembers us trying to buy the tickets.
Oh, it was amazing. But I'd love to go back. I'd love to go to. Well, we never went to Beijing, and we never went to Shanghai. No. Hi, Lee. How are you?
That's all right. We'll get there. We'll get there.
Yeah, we will. We will get there. Hang on. I'm just going to turn the volume up. I'm deaf as a post.
Oh, now?
No.
Oh, there you are. Okay. I need to do a shout out to somebody, a hello to somebody who's a big fan of ours, who watches this religiously, and her name is Julie Bullman. Okay, I'm just saying hi, Julie.
Hi, Julie.
Julie. She's one of our big fans, and yeah, she's a good friend of my friend Justine. So
we've got fans.
We've got a fan. Well, only one. Come on, calm down, just my Julie. Love. Calm down. I was going to tell you something. We're going to Well, first of all, I'm really, really scared. I can't believe all these people. Christine's in Gibraltar. We've got people in Vancouver Island. We're like international.
Last week. We've gone global.
Internationally famous.
We have gone global.
Global. Oh, Elaine's a fan. Oh, look, everyone's saying they're all fans.
Well, I'm going to tell you something about my hearing in a second, which is really frightfully dull. There's Jay in Egypt. But first of all, I'm really alarmed at this.
Why?
This is what Donna left me last week when I was in Loose Women. Kaye, eyebrow tattoo, ! Keep for tutorial _ DX.
I have to be bossy with you.
You are so fierce. It's unbelievable.
Even my writing is fierce, isn't it?
Oh, jeez.
You want things done, love? That's where you got to be, I'm afraid.
I know. Michael says I'm not a fan. Stick coupling, Michael.
Oh, Michelle's not keen on either of us either.
Yeah. Well, if you go and watch the news, that's no problem.
Oh.
So we're going to do this thing. And
Right,
you can explain what it is.
Right,
but
so
hang on, you've not heard about my hearing yet.
Oh, yeah, go on. What's the matter with your hearing?
You know, I've got terrible hearing.
Yeah.
Somebody said to me, and there's lots of intelligent, well-educated, well-informed people out there who might know this, that if you have problems with herpes.
Yeah, right.
Herpes.
You need to whisper that a bit quieter.
Herpes.
Right.
Not that kind of herpes. I mean, I'm not talking genital warts.
No, you sure?
I promise I'm not. You know, but just like cold sores and that kind of thing, which I do.
It's part of the genital wart family.
I know. But believe me.
Right.
But apparently it can affect the nerves in your ear.
Really?
And
I've never seen you with a cold sore.
I don't know.
So you must have lots of sores somewhere else.
Well, the funny thing is, and this is probably too much information, I do get cold sores. Michael's a fan now.
Oh.
As soon as we started talking about genital warts, they're all ears. It's always the way. It's always the way. Now, what was I saying? Yeah, no, I do get cold sores, but I don't get them on my lips. I get them
on your bottom,
on my buttock.
Oh yeah, no, yeah, I know that's the thing.
Yeah.
Ouch, that's painful as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Is that too much information?
Oh my God, that's why I'm deaf. Somebody just said that. You can get warts. Oh, you can get warts in your ears.
Can you?
Well, you know what? I'm deaf. You know, I'm deaf in my left ear.
Mm.
I'm deaf about 60%. 60% in my left ear.
Maybe you've got genital warts.
No, I haven't. I've got something called otosclerosis.
Ooh.
Say that when you're not drunk.
Otosclerosis. What's
that? That happens when you're pregnant. The tiny bones in your ears thicken, and then when you've had the baby, they go back to normal. But sometimes they don't.
Wow.
And my left ear has never gone back to normal. In fact, it's just getting worse. It's quite handy because when I sleep like this, I could never hear the baby crying, so Dan had to get up.
I do the same. It's great.
Can't hear Dan snoring. So that's handy.
Fantastic.
So that's all right. It's all right. It's benefited me, to be honest.
Can't hear him say, "How's about it, love?"
No, I completely deaf in my right ear. Oh.
No. Oh, by the way, it's Michelle, not Michael. I do apologise.
Oh, it's Michael.
Yeah.
Have you seen that film? Right, there's a new film out called The Sound of Metal.
No idea what you're talking about.
Oh my God, it is brilliant. It's up. The guy is up for an Oscar. I don't know if he won it or not. You'd recognise the actor really.